Hello and welcome to World Travel Slideshow. In this clip, we take you on the best safari experience in Africa, to the mountain gorillas of Rwanda. A 1 to 3 hours trek through Volcanoes National Park usually brings you close to a very special family group of mountain gorillas. There are only about 1,000 mountain gorillas alive in the wild and none in zoos. They all live in the mountains that share borders between Democratic Republic of Congo, Uganda and Rwanda, so seeing them is a unique experience. Mountain gorilla family groups can consist of 3 to sometimes even 25 individuals. In the dense forest, they eat, play, relax, and eat some more. It's a unique privilege to spend an hour in the company of a mountain gorilla family group. Sometimes, if you're lucky, an infant or a huge impressive silverback is only 2 or 3 meters away. We hope you have enjoyed our presentation on the mountain gorillas of Rwanda. It is indeed the best safari experience in Africa, by far. Thanks for watching World Travel Slideshow. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. For more presentations, please visit our YouTube channel Asia Travel Slideshow and our YouTube channel Thailand Travel Slideshow. Thank you.